In 2019, Mr. Conrad Burke, a Virginia prisoner imprisoned at the Virginia Department of Corrections Pocahontas State Correctional Center, was subjected to conditions of imprisonment that were not part of law under which the people of Virginia sentenced him to prison. Yet Virginia prison officials acting above the law took it upon themselves to break the law by violating it in their treatment of Mr. Conrad Burke, and that's the problem, Virginia prison officials being above law. This is what Mr. Conrad Burke experienced. He stated that Pocahontas State Correctional Center officer James Poore lied and fabricated claims against him in retaliation because he exercised his Virginia constitutional right by filing grievance against Officer Poore. As a result of Officer Poore's lies and fabrication, a number of Pocahontas State Correctional Center officers, Bobby Dye, David Smith, Jeremy Remines, Roger Hilton, and Robert Stine, told prisoner Burke on February 22, 2019 that Pocahontas State Correctional Center Warden Stanley Young had instructed them to hog-tie him. Hog-tying is a widely used means of inflicting pain on the Virginia prisoner by the Virginia Department of Corrections in its prisons, where the prisoner is first stripped only to boxers, handcuffed, a black box placed over the cuffs, then bare legs shackled, a short chain hooked to the cuffs, then shackles and pulled, so the prisoner stays in a doubled and bent over position for long hours. So this is what Warden Stanley Young told the aforementioned officers to do to prisoner Burke, and he was left in the hog-tied position for 21 hours. Hog-tying a healthy person is a savage and barbarous deed. But prisoner Burke isn't healthy. He suffers from extreme thoracic scoliosis and other debilitating diseases, which as a result was why he was at the Pocahontas prison, so he could have a special medical cell. So the Virginia prison officials operating the Pocahontas prison were fully aware of Mr. Burke's medical condition, and that subjecting him to hog-tying was cruelty, pure and simple. Read more of Mr. Burke's case at 2024 VA app. LEXIS 550. Something else that's unsettling about Mr. Burke's experience is this. Judge Richard C. Patterson of the Circuit Court of Tazewell County actually dismissed his claims, and it took the Virginia Court of Appeals to tell Judge Patterson that he was wrong on the law. Let me state this: Mr. Burke's experiences are not exceptions. The thing is, our Virginia media isn't telling us what our prison officials are doing in our name, but we must know so we can hold them accountable. No one is above law, especially the Virginia prison official.